Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a proposal on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page and go to the events section, and here you can find the proposal option next to the ticket button, and just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change or add new picture to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font size, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add a different object to your project, click to the object section, and here you can find different graphic elements which created by a professional graphic designer, and just select one and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animation, go to the animation button, and here you can find different animations, and in the video section you can upload or search different videos. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.